The preparation has been done already. You can find a video link in the description below. You can use the base gel to stick the tips on. Hold them straight and stick them only at the free edge of the nail. These are universal tips by Future Nails. You can do any shapes with them: pointy, almond, coffin, ballerina, square, rounded, squoval. Use the activator to set the base gel quickly. Cut them size. Use a hand file or e-file to take off the edges of the tips. Do the shaping with a Future Nails hand file. We are working only on the tips now, and avoid the natural nail area. We buffed up the natural nails before when we did the prep. When we finished with the filing, we can do the apex with the base natural powder. You can find a video link in the description below. We recommend to do an apex on a flat or growing upwards nails. If you have a nice curved nails, you don't need to do the apex.